If you create videos online, you already know how hard it is to keep people watching. Most of the time, people just click, watch a bit, and leave. So I checked out a tool called Viloud, and it's doing something a bit different. Instead of just hosting your videos, it lets you turn them into your own TV channel. Yeah, like an actual TV channel, but online. The idea is simple. You upload your videos, or even pull them from places like YouTube, and then you schedule them just like a real broadcast. So your audience can tune in and watch content that plays in a fixed order instead of just clicking random videos. And honestly, that changes how people watch. It feels more like a show instead of a playlist. One thing I really liked is the scheduling system. You can drag and drop your videos into a timeline and create a full day or even a full week of content. Once it's set, it just keeps running without you needing to manage it all the time. You can also go live whenever you want. So if you're running an event or doing a live session, it switches into live mode and then goes back to your regular content after it ends. Another big plus is branding. Instead of sending people to another platform, you can embed your own video player on your website and keep everything under your brand. It feels more professional and gives you more control. And if you're thinking about making money from your videos, it supports ads as well. So you can actually turn your content into something that earns over time. So overall, Viloud feels less like a simple video tool and more like a system to run your own streaming channel. If your goal is to stand out and keep people watching longer instead of just scrolling away, this is definitely something worth looking into.